Autoflight V5000 Matrix. The Autoflight V5000 Matrix is a next-generation electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed to push the boundaries of advanced air mobility. Developed by Autoflight, the V5000 Matrix is currently the largest eVTOL aircraft known to have completed a full transition flight, placing it in a category well beyond conventional urban air taxis. With a maximum takeoff weight of 5,700 kilograms, a wingspan of 20 meters, and a length of 17.1 meters, it is engineered for both passenger transport and heavy cargo operations. The aircraft uses a lift and cruise configuration, combining vertical takeoff capability with the efficiency of fixed-wing flight. The passenger version is designed to carry up to 10 people, while cargo variants can transport up to 1.5 tons of freight in a 14 cubic meter cargo hold. The hybrid electric cargo model offers a range of up to 1,500 kilometers and a cruise speed of approximately 280 kilometers per hour, making regional logistics missions practical for the first time in the eVTOL sector. The Matrix is intended for applications ranging from regional passenger travel and emergency response to offshore support and long-distance freight transport. Its successful flight demonstrations and ongoing certification efforts is a major step toward large-scale commercial eVTOL operations, expanding the industry beyond short urban routes into heavier, longer-range missions. Archer Midnight. The Archer Midnight is a 5-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by Archer Aviation for short-range urban and regional air mobility. Designed to carry 1 pilot and 4 passengers, Midnight is Archer's production aircraft and is intended for high-frequency air taxi operations connecting airports, city centers, and other transportation hubs. The aircraft features a unique 12-propeller configuration, with 6 tilt propellers used for both vertical and forward flight, and 6 fixed propellers dedicated to vertical lift. This arrangement provides redundancy while enabling efficient wing-borne cruise flight. With a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 3,175 kilograms, Midnight ranks among the largest passenger-carrying eVTOL aircraft currently flying. It can reach speeds of up to 241 kilometers per hour and is optimized for repeated trips of roughly 32 to 80 kilometers, with charging times of about 10 minutes between flights. Archer designed the aircraft around rapid turnaround and high daily utilization rather than maximum range. A major milestone was achieved in June 2024 when Midnight successfully completed a full transition flight, shifting from vertical helicopter-style flight to conventional wing-borne flight and back again. At roughly 3,000 kilograms during testing, Archer stated that Midnight was among the largest eVTOL aircraft ever to complete this demanding maneuver. The aircraft is being developed for commercial air taxi networks, airport shuttle services, emergency response, and selected defense applications. Archer has also delivered Midnight aircraft to the U.S. Air Force for evaluation and continues to pursue certification and international deployment programs. Lilium Jet. Lilium Jet was an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by the German company Lilium. Unlike most eVTOL designs that rely on large exposed rotors, the aircraft used a distinctive system of ducted electric fans integrated directly into its wings. This configuration gave the aircraft a sleek appearance closer to a conventional business jet, while retaining the ability to take off and land vertically. The final certification design was planned as a 7-seat aircraft, accommodating 1 pilot and 6 passengers for regional air mobility missions. The aircraft featured a fixed-wing layout with forward canards, a main wing span of less than 14 meters, and a distributed propulsion system consisting of up to 36 electrically powered ducted fans. During vertical flight, the fans vectored thrust downward, then rotated to propel the aircraft forward as aerodynamic lift from the wings took over. This approach was intended to deliver higher cruise efficiency than many multi-copter-style eVTOLs. Lilium's production aircraft was expected to have a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 3,175 kilograms, placed it among the largest passenger-carrying eVTOL aircraft ever developed. The company targeted regional routes rather than short urban hops, with projected operating ranges exceeding 175 kilometers and cruise speeds around 250 kilometers per hour. Earlier prototypes and concepts proposed even greater performance figures. A full-scale 5-seat prototype first flew in 2019 and successfully demonstrated vertical flight and transition testing. Although Lilium secured orders and partnerships from airlines and operators worldwide, the company entered insolvency proceedings in 2024, bringing development to a halt before certification and commercial service could be achieved. Despite this outcome, the Lilium jet remains one of the most ambitious and technically distinctive eVTOL aircraft ever designed, particularly for its jet-like configuration, distributed electric propulsion system, and focus on regional air transportation. Over-Air Butterfly. Over-Air Butterfly is a large electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by the California-based company Over-Air. Originally derived from decades of vertical flight research led by aerospace engineer Abe Karam, the Butterfly was designed to combine the vertical lift capability of a helicopter with the speed and efficiency of a fixed-wing aircraft. The aircraft occupies the upper end of the passenger eVTOL market, with capacity for 1 pilot and 5 passengers, making it one of the largest air taxi concepts developed in the United States. A defining feature of the Butterfly is its patented optimum speed tilt rotor technology. Unlike most eVTOL aircraft that use many small rotors, the Butterfly employs 4 very large variable speed tilt rotors. These rotors turn more slowly than conventional designs, reducing noise while improving aerodynamic efficiency during both hover and cruise flight. The system is paired with individual blade control technology, which continuously adjusts blade movement to reduce vibration, increase efficiency, and improve ride quality. The aircraft is designed for a cruise speed of approximately 290 km per hour, a maximum speed of 322 km per hour, and a range of about 161 km. Its projected payload capacity is roughly 499 kilograms, allowing it to transport passengers and luggage on regional and urban routes. The tandem wing configuration, retractable landing gear, and large panoramic windows further distinguish it from competing eVTOL designs. A full-scale Butterfly prototype was completed in late 2023, marking a major milestone for the program. Although certification and commercial service remain future goals, the aircraft is notable for its emphasis on low noise, high efficiency, and large rotor technology. Among next-generation eVTOL aircraft, the Butterfly remains one of the most technically distinctive designs, and one of the larger passenger-carrying concepts ever built. Beta Alia A250. Beta Alia A250 is a large electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by Beta Technologies. Designed with a strong emphasis on simplicity, efficiency, and certification readiness, the A250 has become one of the most mature eVTOL programs in development. Unlike many competitors that rely on complex tilt-rotor systems, the ALIA A250 uses a lift plus cruise configuration, combining 4 dedicated vertical lift propellers with a single rear pusher propeller for forward flight. This arrangement reduces mechanical complexity while maintaining the ability to transition smoothly from hover to wing-borne flight. The aircraft features a distinctive 15-meter arched wing inspired by the Arctic tern, a bird known for its long-distance migrations. With a gross weight approaching 3,175 kilograms and seating for 1 pilot plus up to 5 passengers, the ALIA A250 ranks among the largest passenger-carrying eVTOL aircraft ever built. Cargo variants are also planned, allowing operators to transport freight, medical supplies, and time-critical shipments. It was designed for a range of approximately 402 kilometers and cruise speeds around 274 kilometers per hour. A major milestone was achieved in April 2024 when the aircraft successfully completed a piloted transition between vertical flight and conventional wing-supported flight. one of the most technically challenging phases of eVTOL development. Beyond passenger transport, Beta has focused heavily on practical applications such as cargo delivery, organ transport, medical logistics, and regional aviation. The company is also developing a nationwide fast-charging network to support future electric aircraft operations. This combination of aircraft development and supporting infrastructure has made the ALEA A250 one of the most credible and operationally focused eVTOL projects currently flying. Vertical Aerospace VX4. The Vertical Aerospace VX4 is a British electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by Vertical Aerospace for urban and regional air mobility. Designed to carry 1 pilot and 4 passengers, the VX4 combines the convenience of helicopter-style operations with the efficiency and speed of a fixed-wing aircraft. Its sleek aerodynamic design, large wing, and distributed electric propulsion system place it among the most advanced passenger eVTOLs currently under development. The aircraft uses a tilt propeller configuration with 8 electric propellers, 4 of which tilt forward during transition from vertical flight to cruise flight. This arrangement allows the VX4 to take off and land vertically while achieving efficient wing-borne flight once airborne. The aircraft has a wingspan of approximately 15 meters, a length of 13 meters, and a gross weight approaching 2,800 kilograms, making it one of the largest passenger-carrying eVTOL aircraft. Performance targets include a cruise speed of 241 kilometers per hour, a maximum speed of roughly 322 kilometers per hour, and a range of up to 161 kilometers. Vertical Aerospace has focused heavily on reducing noise, aiming for sound levels significantly lower than those of conventional helicopters, an important requirement for future urban operations. The VX4 completed its first piloted flight in 2022 and has continued through an extensive flight test campaign that includes tethered flights, untethered vertical operations, hover testing, and low-speed maneuvering. The program has accumulated more than 1,500 pre-orders from airlines and aviation operators worldwide, including partnerships with major commercial aviation companies, and certification is targeted for the latter part of the decade. Wisk Aero Generation 6. Wisk Aero Generation 6 is one of the most distinctive electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft ever developed, primarily because it was designed from the outset to operate without an onboard pilot. Developed by Wisk Aero, a company backed by Boeing, Generation 6 is intended to become the world's first FAA-certified autonomous passenger-carrying eVTOL aircraft. Rather than using a conventional pilot, the aircraft relies on advanced autonomous flight systems while being monitored by ground-based supervisors. Generation 6 features a proprietary 12-propeller lift plus cruise configuration, consisting of 6 tilting front propellers and 6 fixed rear propellers. This arrangement allows the aircraft to perform vertical takeoffs and landings while maintaining efficient fixed-wing flight during cruise. The aircraft has a wingspan of less than 15.2 meters, making it one of the larger eVTOL designs currently undergoing certification. It accommodates 4 passengers, along with luggage and carry-on items, in a spacious cabin designed for urban and regional transportation. Performance targets include a cruise speed of approximately 120 knots, a range of 145 kilometers with reserves, and a recharge time of around 15 minutes between flights. The aircraft is intended to operate at altitudes between 2,500 and 4,000 feet above ground level, connecting airports, city centers, and suburban destinations. A major milestone was achieved in December 2025 when Generation 6 completed its first flight, marking the debut of Wisk's certification aircraft and the company's 6th generation of eVTOL development. The flight validated the aircraft's core systems and launched an extensive flight test campaign aimed at achieving commercial certification. Wisk has accumulated more than 1,750 test flights across its previous aircraft generations, giving it one of the longest development histories in the eVTOL industry. Joby Aviation S4. The Joby Aviation S4 is one of the most advanced electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft currently undergoing certification and is widely regarded as one of the industry's leading air taxi designs. Developed by Joby Aviation, the S4 combines helicopter-like vertical takeoff capability with the efficiency and speed of a fixed-wing aircraft. The aircraft is designed to carry 1 pilot and 4 passengers, making it suitable for urban air mobility, airport transfers, and regional transportation services. A defining feature of the S4 is its 6-tilt propeller configuration. All 6 propellers contribute to both vertical lift and forward flight, eliminating the need for separate lift motors and improving cruise efficiency. This vectored thrust approach allows the aircraft to transition smoothly between hover and wing-borne flight while reducing drag and mechanical complexity. The production prototype has a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 2,404 kilograms, a wingspan of 11.6 meters, and a payload capacity of roughly 454 kilograms. Powered by 6 electric motors and advanced lithium-ion battery systems, the S4 is designed to reach speeds of up to 322 km per hour, while achieving a range of approximately 241 km. The aircraft has accumulated tens of thousands of flight miles across multiple prototype generations and has successfully demonstrated repeated transitions between vertical and conventional flight. These achievements have positioned Joby among the frontrunners in the race to achieve commercial eVTOL certification. A key focus of the S4 program is noise reduction. Joby claims the aircraft is dramatically quieter than conventional helicopters, enabling operations in urban environments where helicopter noise has historically limited expansion. The company plans to deploy the S4 in commercial air taxi networks across major metropolitan regions, offering rapid, zero-emission transportation between airports, business districts, and suburban destinations.